wrong.
I'm going to need you to verify your identity, Mr. Troy. Can you give me your IDC?
No. I can't.
Let go, Mr. Troy. You're hurting me.
Stop calling me Mr. Troy. I am Oliver. I am Oliver Michael Reed. July 5th, OMK 3663 Green.
Oh, shit.
What the fuck is going on, Emma?
I must have... Jesus. I made a mistake. I was meant to be backing up Mr. Troy, but my daughter's dad... Mr. Klein's my... Next. Look.
Oh.
You're not Oliver Klein. Look, you're not Oliver Klein, okay? You're just his most recent backup. That's all.
When I looked in the mirror, I could have sworn you.
The brain takes time and shortcuts. Sometimes you see what you expect to see. We call it a phantom self.
Oh, okay. So where the fuck's the actual real me?
Come with me back to the lab. I can fix this.
Okay. Good. Good. How?
I just need to overwrite.
Override what? Emma? Override me? And then what happens?
I put Mr. Troy back.
Yeah, but what? What happens to me? No. No! You can't do that.
You're not you. You're a backup of you. Of Oliver Klein's memories. The Rudy's out there walking around.
You are talking about killing me. I know there may be another version of me out there, Emma, but I am every bit as... I'm me. Okay? Can you hear me?
But what about Mr. Troy? His body?